Yeah, this is a big story news. Haydar Khalid returns to the Yazidi village in Iraq. Iraq, find mounds, dozens of dead bodies looking for his relatives. All said they wanted to find him dead. It's a killing of human life. Found mounds of mass graves. Found mounds of mass graves. Haydar Khalid went back to Yazidi village in Iraq. It's a slaughter town. It's a slaughter town. Mass genocide graves. Mass genocide graves. Mass genocide graves. Yeah, they found mounds of dirt. Big pile of mounds of dirt where people are buried. They're going to escalate. I bet the bodies are in there. I bet the bodies are in there. Dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens. The Yazidis. Just butchered. Just butchered. What a sadness. What a sadness. Really, it's the sadness of human life. This is some 19 page story.